that's
Good
nice.
point. It's the price you pay.
Well, if you want to spend $30
How about a
on
crossover
just the
channel for a
igniter-
dual chamber?
Oh, for like 2?
Yeah.
We could do a
A
2-barrel.
double barrel.
We could build it like the old Soviet rocket launchers and have the 4-barrel.
wait, I got Will thinking.
No, so this is. Dude, so we walk in and this girl's like, hey, how you guys doing? And he's like, pretty good, we're not doing anything illegal. I'm like, what the fuck, Chris? You can't do that.
I thought it was funny.
Yeah,
It's pretty funny, but now they're watching us in case we steal something. Like, that's.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think of that. My bad.
I'm noticing.
Well, who cares? We're not stealing shit.
Okay, now hold on. You gotta have 5 feet of this shit.
Do you? Just for accuracy.
Well, I mean, we want accuracy. What's the point in building it if it's not accurate?
Dude, the white one is just as thick as the black.
It's what they're made out of.
Yeah, I know, but what do you...
The white one would blow up and be
Well,
in
if you
you.
put a lot of accelerator in it.
I don't know. I ain't taking no chances. Have you met me?
Dude, it's $11 for 2 feet of that shit.
Yeah, we're just gonna buy a whole lane and cut it
Yeah,
out.
it's 30. Isn't it? That's what I'm saying. Like, this is becoming expensive, sir.
Are you gonna caption?
Hairspray is gonna be the cheapest. $2 for that giant Aquanet can.
We need to get some hairspray, and then we have to buy, like, at least 1 can of... What are you doing? Wow. 1 can of starting fluid so we can see the difference.
Yeah,
'Cause
I agree.
One might fire way better than the other.
I totally agree.
I just want to let you know Chris is still recording.
Well,
We're gonna
how
have...
long of a video do you need?
I'm gonna piece it. It's not gonna be that long. It'll probably be like 5 minutes by the time I'm done.
Well, maybe you should piece out the part where I ask you, how long is it gonna be? Because that's gay.
Make sure you edit that in there.
I probably will now. Look.
You should just do it where, like, we have potato cannons, and then have Dustin go, well, how long is it gonna be?
You know what? We never
After
got a
every
stuffer
segment?
either. You know, we'll just use my shop broom.
I thought we were living on the edge of prison time. No, officer, we're just doing plumbing work since we're all, you know, licensed plumbers.
Can we technically get prison time for this? I don't feel
Sir,
like
are
it,
you
right?
recording with a hat that says trees? Yes. What are you recording? Well, this is some very interesting plumbing work.
That's funny because my hat does say trees on it.
Oh my god. You talked to a lot of cops, Chris?
I have actually like
It's frowned
3
upon
since
in
I've
this
been
group.
back. And all 3 times was with Landon.
We don't talk to cops, Chris. Stitches get stitches.
It wasn't like that. Like they
Oh,
stopped
it wasn't
us.
like that.
We were out playing in the fucking mountains with the
It
4
wasn't
wheel or
much
the
of talking,
Jeeps.
it was more or less a gurgling.
Fuck you guys and your goddamn gay jokes.
And then the 4th time,
The 4th time.
that cop got me to go home with him. He didn't even buy me a drink.
That's gonna be fun. It's not sparking.
Come on, you bitch.
We have ignition failure. Take it apart, see what's going on.
I don't think that would be a good thing.
There's no spark. There's a spark now, finally. It's only sparking every so often. You need to bend the leads closer together.
Oh my god, dude.
Yours works. Work. He just blew himself up.
Dude.
In your face?
Yeah. I ain't got a single nose hair left, bro.
Did you see the fucking flame that came out of mine?
Did you just see the flame that came into my face, bro?
Yeah, yours stayed on fire for a second. There it goes.
I feel like we're gonna die because these things are not gonna cure for now.
Damn!
Did you get that on video?
Remember last time you did that?
Sparking every fucking pit now.
Where's your?
He's got some weight on this one.
Has a projectile.
What is it?
Fucking cap to a bottle.
Oh my god.
That's a lot.
Quiet down, Chris.
Hey, Mother Chris.
Boom!
Wait till we get some
The
actual
ball
weight.
of fucking flaming rag.
All right, first ever test.
Please don't blow up Will's truck.
That's all it did?
We need more accelerant. It's too heavy. Recording. Yeah. Holy shit! Recording. Yeah. Holy shit! It's going. Yep.